You better turn up. You better.
It's kuchh.j here, and welcome back to another one. Happy to see you and happy to have you back. So before we start and do anything, just make sure that you're subscribed and also like this video. Just like it, even though you haven't watched it yet. If you're not following me on IG and you want to keep up with me, this is the best place to find me because I am more active on there. I post almost every day. So if you guys want to keep up with me, just go ahead and follow me at kuchh.j. I will leave my handle down in the description box for you guys that want to do so. And so let's just get right into this video. I'm going to show you guys how I got my short, really short, natural looking passion twist. You guys, look at this. Look how pretty it is. It looks super natural. It looks super pretty, and I want to show you guys how I got it. So let's just get right into this video. I don't want to talk a lot because y'all don't like when people talk a lot. And so let's get started. It's kuchh Beauty here, and welcome back to my channel. So you guys, I'm gonna start by showing you guys how I do this. So I have this conditioner here, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply some leave-in. I'm just gonna kind of add some water into it like this. Just spray some water. And that is my mixture. And I also gonna apply some tea tree oil on that mixture, just a couple, just to get the hair really moisturized. I wanted to show you guys the kind of hair that I will be using. This is the kind of hair that I will be using. This is the Ghanaian twist. So once we have the hair, we cut it into two. So now we're gonna go ahead and start braiding. So this is the length that is the perfect length. Now that we have it like that, I'm just gonna go ahead and tease it a little bit. So, here we go. To make it easier on me, I went ahead and parted my hair. And then I just went ahead and twisted. Process a lot more faster. So now I'm just gonna go ahead with my needle, my crochet needle. I'm gonna hook that under my braid. Right, once it's hooked under my braid, I'm gonna use my passion twist or my Ghanaian twist, and I'm gonna pull that through like this, not all the way, and then the rest I'm just gonna go ahead and pull that with my finger. It's stuck in my ear. All right, so here we go. This is what we have. Right. So now I'm gonna go ahead and untwist my twist, and I did that the night prior, so that means, you know, I just kind of do it in section just because, you know, we all have those lazy days. So my hair can blend in so much easier with my spring twist. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my mixture, my leave-in mixture. Like I said, I use conditioner with a little bit of leave-in, and then I just went ahead and apply some oil. And you guys, just to make this last longer, why not, I'm gonna apply some Gorilla Snack, because we don't want, you know how after a while, especially I have foresty hair, after a while it's just showing up. We don't want our natural hair to show through, so this mixture will be perfect. So if you have Eco Styler gel, you can always use Eco Styler gel, but I find these will really help. So now we're gonna split the hair into two sections like this. I'm gonna trim any like excess, lengths. And now section the hair into two like this. So half of my natural hair is on this side and half is on the other side. So now we're gonna go ahead and twist. So it should look somewhat like this once it is done. Really nice braid twist. So something like this, and I'm just gonna go ahead and trim off the ends. So we're gonna go ahead and do another section. So, if you guys are asking how many strands of twists that I'm putting in, how many strands of the passion twist. So about 3 strands of the passion twist itself. And I just, kind of split it like this just to have because I don't want my ends to be too bulky. I wanted to kind of have that, really smaller end coming like that. So I just split those 3 strands. Because I now also want it, so I also want to have a little bit more volume so that my braid can be a lot more thicker. So what I do is I kind of split it and make it a little bit more puffy and not too uniform. So once I spread it like this, I just kind of flip the ends so that I can have my ends to look more smaller towards the end, so I won't have that really short ends. Now moving on, we're doing the same thing. If your rubber band is too tight, just kind of pull on it so that it can come, because sometimes if it's too tight to your scalp, what happens when you try to pull the crochet hair through, listen, it hurts. It hurts so bad. So this is a tip again for you guys. So we make sure that it is equal length. And now we're gonna unravel our twist. And we're gonna lather our mixture into the hair like this. I think for this hairstyle to last you a good 2 to 3 weeks. It's all about the type of mixture that you use. So I'm gonna split my natural hair, into those 2 sections like this, and then we're gonna start braiding. You guys that probably want to know if the rubber band is showing through, it is not showing through because of the way I twist it. So I just twist it when I'm starting my first twist, when I go ahead and twist it towards the root, and then I just braid as I go. I'm just twisting, 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 twisting. And this is conditioner and water, not conditioner, leave-in conditioner and water. And I just spray towards the end so that the ends can look more, curly and more neat. And there you have it, guys. Look how easy that was and how cute. Are you kidding? Okay, so I did it, you guys, all done. This is my passion twist, my really short passion twist. I really like it. It's really like flirty, it's really like natural. Like, it's just a vibe. It is a vibe for sure. I really like it, you guys. Really do like it. And it was fairly easy to do, actually. Like, it did not require a lot, which is good. It did not require a lot. The hair just kind of do its own thing, which is good. Let me pull this up and see how that will look. You guys don't like this? It's so cute. It's really nice. It's such a nice hairstyle. And just to show you guys, I thought that I was not gonna have enough hair for this, but I was wrong. I still have one of this section, because there was 3 sections. I still have a whole section left that I did not touch. Plus, I got a couple more strands left from like the second section. So that means this hairstyle does not require a lot, because I did cut, I told you guys that I cut it into 2, but I lied. I actually cut it into 3. Once I cut it in half, and then I kind of fold it and cut it in half again, so that I can have the perfect length, because I didn't want it to be too long. It can pass as my natural hair, actually. That's how nice it looks, but this is so much fuller, so much neater. My hair won't do this. So, but I really like this. I really do really like this hairstyle. So let me know down in the comment section if you guys will try it. I did bought this here at my local beauty supply store, but since I know, with the whole coronavirus going on out there, well, with everything being shut down, I know a lot of you may not be able to find it. So I will see if I can find at least a similar hair. I will leave it down in the comment section. I will leave it down in the description box below, and if not, like, I will see if I can find it on Amazon, because I know Amazon is more easier, to grab stuff. But this was really easy, as I show you guys, like a really easy process of how to do it. Really do like it. Let me add some lip gloss, okay? So my about I had to add some lip gloss so I can feel myself even more. And listen, let me add a little bit of highlight. Why not? Listen, I'm feeling myself here. Like, just don't mind me, because once I start feeling myself, this is how I act. Like, I'm a whole different person,